Here's how to convert JPEG to PNG. I created this app, it's called ConvertSave, and it is an offline file converter for Windows and Mac. All you have to do is drag and drop your images in, and then select your output. So in this case, we'll pick PNG, and then hit convert. It converts that JPEG to PNG and saves it next to wherever your original files came from. You can convert as many as you want here in ConvertSave. There's a link for it in the description down below, or you can just go to convertsave.com. I created this with my brother. He's the developer on this, and basically was like, hey, I'm really tired of going to random websites for all these different file conversions. Is there any way we could create like an image, video, and audio file converter that I can just use on my desktop? By the way, can it be on Windows and Mac too? And can I just drag and drop things into it? And so he went off and worked on that a little bit, and we've worked on it since and now released it as ConvertSave. And we're actually about to add some more advanced features too, so I'm pretty excited about that. But this works really well just to convert images, audio, and video files really quickly. Drag them in, select your output, and hit convert. It's as simple as that. Convert, save. I appreciate you guys' support. You can check it out with the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.